In this problem, we are solving for the indicated side. So we need to solve for x. If we notice, here's the angle that we're given. We're given 51 degrees, and 6.5 is adjacent to 51 degrees, meaning it's right next to it. It's the adjacent side. And x is the hypotenuse, and that is because it is across from the right angle, so it is the longest side. So we have an angle, we have adjacent, and we have hypotenuse. So the trig ratio that we're going to use is cosine, because cosine of theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine and our angle, our theta, is 51 degrees, and that equals adjacent, which is 6.5 over hypotenuse, which is x. So we need to solve for x. So the first thing we're going to do is try to get x by itself. So we are going to multiply both sides by x in order to get x by itself. And this x goes away. So we have x times cosine of 51 degrees equals 6.5. So we're going to divide both sides by cosine of 51 degrees. And that's how we're going to get x alone. So now we have to figure out what the cosine of 51 degrees is in our calculators. And to do that, you need to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. So go to the mode button, and you are going to hit degrees. It's probably in radians. That's how it comes in the factory. So you need to select it to degree mode and make sure you're in degree mode right now. So when we type in cosine of 51, we get 0.629. So right now we have x equals 6.5 over the cosine of 51 degrees. In your calculator, to get the most accurate answer, you're going to write this, and you're going to type this entire thing. So in your calculator, you're going to put 6.5. You're going to hit the division. You're going to type a parenthesis, then hit your cosine button. It'll give you another parenthesis. Type 51 and the parenthesis, so it looks like that. That will give you the most accurate answer, and that will give you the cosine of 10. The answer is 10.3. So that means that this x value right here, this side measure, is 10.3.